We may see the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5 arrive in July, a month earlier than expected, according to a rumor from emerging leaker Revegnus. So hey everyone, I am Ayush, and if you are new here, don't be shy, do subscribe now. They make this claim because they believe that Samsung will begin production on these two foldables' new hinges at the start of June, rather than the end of June as in previous years. A 3/4 week head start over earlier production cycles could therefore mean Samsung launches their new foldables earlier too, so since the Galaxy Z Fold 4 arrived in late August last year, that could mean a July debut for the Z Fold 5. Although there have been previous rumors, it is speculated that Samsung is now redesigning the hinge of its new foldable devices. This redesign is expected to make the phone slimmer and lighter, while also reducing the crease in the display and gap between the two sides of the phone when closed. It is possible that Samsung is not planning to advance the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 5, but is instead allowing extra time to address any potential production issues that may arise from the new design. This way, the new Fold and Flip phones could still be launched in August, as per the usual tradition, even if there are any setbacks during the manufacturing process. We've heard that Samsung's next big overhaul for the Galaxy Z Fold and Galaxy Z Flip series may not come until next year's Galaxy Z Fold 6/Z Flip 6. That said, we're still expecting some improvements to arrive this year, such as the new hinge. According to leaks within the tech industry, we should also keep an eye out for enhancements such as the use of lighter materials, a more robust variant of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which can be found in the Galaxy S23 series, and updated camera sensors for both the Z Flip 5 and Z Fold. However, it is noteworthy that there may not be any changes to the resolution or magnification from the current models. It'll be interesting to see if these putative upgrades are enough to fight off the growing competition for positions among the best foldables in the world. After effectively monopolizing the market for several years, rivals like the Oppo Find N2 Flip are here to challenge Samsung, with more rumored foldables like the Google Pixel Fold and OnePlus V Fold also thought to be on the way. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? Do let us know in the comments section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you next one.